Hello and welcome. My name is Yannick and I'm the CTO of NeuroSync. And today I'm happy to welcome you to our first user testing phase. And in this video, I'm going to show you what is currently possible in this alpha build version and how you can currently use this application, and also how you can give us feedback and how you are included in the development process. So that's probably already been done on your side. So let me quickly do that. So first of all, you're getting to redirected to a survey so we can identify your chronotype. This is going to be later be used to schedule your tasks. I'll quickly go through this and set my chronotype. Okay, I'm a bear. That's nice. So let's start actually using the app. After you completed the survey, you will land on the dashboard. Currently, you have a big calendar view here where nothing is in here because, of course, first of all, we need to bring your data, your calendar entries into the application. You can click up here on the nav bar, and here we'll find a sync Google to calendar to database. This was going to import all the future events in your Google Calendar into our database. If this is not going to work, please give us a message via Discord and we can figure it out. It also says sync to database is successful. So if I go to the next week using the calendar controller, here are my imported events. They are all currently as fixed events. You can see that because they're purple and they have a fixed start and end time. And also, if you can click on it in the details, you can see this is locked. I can also unlock this. For example, at the current moment, every event that we import from the calendar, is locked. So you can unlock this here by clicking unlock. As this is a repeating event, you can also update a single task or just all of them. So I'm going to update a single one. Before we can run the scheduling algorithm, we're going to head over to the user profile icon, and we're going to see that our wake up and sleep time and maybe our time zone are not correctly set. So let's hit edit here and add your local wake up and sleep time. Also, what you can do is that, so you won't be able to use the algorithm, the scheduling algorithm, if you have not set these values. All right. So now I've saved them. And also here you can see if you want to change your chronotype or there was something wrong, you can always do the redo survey here. How are we going to actually use the dashboard now? With the plus icon, hope that makes sense, you're going to create new tasks and to-dos. So you can give it a title, a description, how long it's going to be, and one of these categories. We also have the logic of making a task a habit. So if you are already planning on having multiple of these types of tasks during a week or a month, you can set them during the habit. For example, I want to do gym, want to go to the gym, and I want, of course, to do that like each session should be an hour. So this would be category exercise, and this is going to be a habit. I want to go, I don't know, 4 times a week. I want to go to the gym. You can also hit the start date and the due date when these tasks are going to be scheduled. Like if you want to start working on something in the future, you can set the start date to another date and also a due date. So if you need to complete the overall goal doing this task by a certain end date, you can set this due date. Let me hit create. And now what we can see is our scheduling algorithm already has run and it has created multiple gym events. So as I said, I want to do 4 hours per week. Now currently for the next 7 days, it has scheduled me 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these. You can at any time run the algorithm again by using this button right here on the left. This will run the algorithm in the current version for the next 7 days, starting at the next day from your date. So it's going to always do the next 7 days. Of course, now nothing is going to change because I only added these ones. If you have completed a task on a day, you can, for example, let's go to the day view, can also complete these tasks. If you would click on these icons up here, you could set them as complete, but first the start date has to be passed. So you can only set a task complete that are in the past. When you do this, you will see that also your brain state up here, right, which is very important for our application, are going to be adapted based on what weights you have set for these different types of tasks. And at any time, as the algorithm is using these brain states and is trying to adapt and optimize them, you can always adapt your current brain state here. And there's something not correct that we are not calculating correctly, you can always adapt this, and then you can also learn from this and see in the backend and learn what's actually going on. As you might have already seen, I just changed the view. We support different kinds of views. We have a single view, 3-day view, a week view, a month view, and the list view. Of course, when you're in there, you can click on an event and then you can edit it. There you also have the option to delete it. So for example, let's delete this one. One thing I forgot, before we come to the feedback, we have some filters that you can use to filter your tasks. Currently have a filter for completed and not completed, and of course for the different categories. This is also multi-select, so you can select multiple of these and use them to filter your tasks that you currently have. And of course, with this calendar controller, you can navigate through the different dates and see what's going on. And always, of course, the one marked in blue is the current date. Also, as a quick side note, you probably are going to use this on your mobile phone. So as this currently, you notice, this is a website. This is not an app that you can download from the App Store, but you can install it on your phone anyways. It's called a Progressive Web App. When you first open this, the website on your phone, you can see like this notification bar is going to pop up. So at the bottom, at least for iPhone, you're going to find the share button, and there you can tip add to home screen. And then when you go to your home screen, you will see a new application called NeuroSync, and it looks like an app, and now it also feels like you can open it. You don't have any browser bar anymore, and now we also then support push notification. All right, regarding feedback, we have 2 feedback channels at the moment. The first one is directly integrated in the application, so you can hit this button right here. This is our feedback button, and here you can type any feedback, and we can see that this is directly forwarded to us. Also, you probably have seen it already in your email. We have a dedicated Discord community channel where you can also give us feedback and directly communicate with us and interact with us, so we can build this application together as a community. All right, this should conclude everything that is currently doable in the application. I hope you have fun playing around with it a little bit. We really would appreciate if you give us feedback so we can learn and adapt and of course iterate on this together. If you join our Discord, we will also update you regarding new releases of the user testing. So thank you all for listening. Now you're ready to hit continue. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, it would mean a lot to us. Now you're really free to go and explore NeuroSync for yourself. I wish you a lot of fun. Bye.